was funny. Hey guys, today I will be doing a mukbang of a breakfast sandwich that I just made. It's just regular bread. I wish I could have got some Texas toast, but it's just regular sliced bread that's toasted. And eggs that have cream cheese in it on top of just regular shredded cheese. And some Jimmy Dean spicy sausage that I got. I just need everything on the stove. The first fry is still hot as heck. That's good. Oh, it's good and spicy. Not so much spicy. Guess I'm gonna put some grape jelly, just regular grape jelly on a little piece and see how it tastes. And in the wine glass, just have some regular ginger ale. I forgot the summer I'm looking at these kids in my apartment just basically pack out. I guess they go on the summer camp. They just literally took everything outside, they whole house, as far as summer stuff. It's weird. It's good. This weekend, I guess it's gonna be chill, laid back. It's not raining, so it's just seems like it's just sunny. Hopefully it'll be a good day. I haven't checked the news yet, but last week was kind of, well, last weekend was crazy. Down here, as far as the weather, it was just like, I guess tornadoes hit or whatever, rain, thunderstorms, knocked out the power for a lot of people in certain areas. My mom and my brother, they didn't have power for like 3 or 4 days at their house. It's just been crazy. I think one person died, or some people died in DFW, and then a whole bunch of people was hurt. So it's been kind of hectic as far as the weather. I didn't even know it's that bad down here. I didn't think the weather could get that bad, because it's like, we don't stay by any big areas of water like that. We don't stay like by an ocean or something like Galveston or something, or like a beach. Oh yeah. So yeah, been crazy. need a fork. Hey guys, I ended up getting another sausage and some more eggs since it was pretty good and seasoned well. It is good. Whew. I love breakfast food. Could eat it every day, all day. It don't really matter at all. Good. Whew. But I think this week they haven't had so much drama about the whole feud. They just basically dying down, but it's a lot of people still talking about it, but it's not as much. It's just crazy. It seems like a lot of people are milking the situation. It's over. Both parties said what they had to say. Both parties still saying what they gotta say, but just let it go. Just milking the situation. I understand it's gonna bring clout and stuff, but dang, milking the situation, or you owe to the news. Too much. It was fun while it lasted in the store. My eggs normally, I don't know, I normally bring my eggs different, but I thought it was just gonna be a little bit old. I thought the eggs need to be a little bit more seasoned. So when I finished cooking the sausage, I basically left all the grease that was in the pan, and I started cooking the eggs. And then I just put cream cheese in it and seasoned a little afterwards. It was finished cooking, so the eggs could set. So it was good. I like it, somewhat like it this way or whatever. Normally I just cook eggs. I just put some butter in a pot, like just a regular pot, not a pan. And then I put the eggs in there and I just take it on and off the heat or whatever so I can stir it. And then, after like 5 or 6 minutes, depending on how many I'm cooking, I just have it set and I put cream cheese in it and then season it. So yeah, it was somewhat different, but it's basically the same process. I think I put a lot of cheese on it too. Put a lot of butter on the bread. Good. Should have just made 2 sandwiches. Good. I'm not gonna be wanting to do nothing in a minute. I'm fucking full. Just gonna go lay down. want a lot. I don't want the taste of sweet and seasoned. Really, really good. I really wasn't a fan of Jimmy Dean's spicy sausages, but I just got a package or whatever one day, and it was really good. I think I like Jimmy Dean over Owens sausage because sometimes Owens seem like too much fat to be coming off. That was interesting. So if anybody drink beer, excuse me, what's your favorite kind of beer? Like Platinum used to be my favorite to go to beer. I can still drink that, but like sometimes the area I'm in now, they don't really have it, so you gotta go to different places to actually get the Bud Light Platinum. But ironically, they have Bud Light, Bud Ice. They have it in this area, I guess. Junkies or Jigs or National, but yeah. I like Bud Natural, or not Bud Natural. The High Life, I think it's Miller High Life. I like that too. I really don't prefer the Dose, or what's it called? The one in the green bottle, whatever it's called. Yeah, I think the Dose, something like that. I don't prefer that because it doesn't have a high percentage. I can really drink that like water. I can really drink any beer like water, but that's like, there's no purpose to drink that. Corona. It's just like water too. It's good, but I don't see the point of drinking that. I don't think I drink anything else. I don't really drink anything else that I think of. I attempted to try that Blue Moon, but it had orange flavoring. I'm allergic to that, so I couldn't drink it. So yeah, what the heck? Whew. You know which one to choose. Yeah, good. I think I have came to the realization that I'm not gonna like no job that I'm working at. Every job has its pros and cons. I'm thinking I'm not gonna like any job, but it seems like it's all BS to me. The politics, not necessarily, or politics at other jobs that I've been to, that I've worked at. But as far as this job, it's none of those things. It's just like they haven't well, they're a new company to Dallas or whatever, and none of their stuff works. I don't, to be honest, I don't even think, because we work in an actual suite, a building that has other businesses in it, and the way that it's seeming, well, the way that it seems is they didn't think about it as far as the technical point that a lot of people is going to be on the server. So it's like people are getting on the system or whatever, and then it crashes, and sometimes it don't come up. They didn't think about that, so it's like, what the heck? That and people that's training us that doesn't know about the actual role of it, the role that we're actually doing. They've been in the company for years, but they never played a role as a job they're training for. So it's just overboard. It's a nice company. It's nice. I don't really know about the benefits. They said the benefits or whatever in the interview, but I don't remember. They supposed to be having a benefits meeting for the new hires on Monday. So yeah, it's just weird. Yeah. But most of the time, all we do, we gotta have a lot of meetings, or we have a lot of timeouts, because everything always end up going down. You want some French toast sticks. Oh, good. And now I'm about to probably gonna be on I don't know, most of the time I just overspend on food stuff, whatever. Restaurant food, fast food, whatever. Now I think I'm just gonna try to start cooking a lot. Cause I wanna try new things, and because I'm trying to go on a budget. So yeah. Was good. Supposed to be, I'm not for sure. Supposed to be going back to Marty's this Saturday, so see how that works. I'm not for sure. See how that all plays out. I don't know it. I don't know. I guess at this, when I first started going to gay clubs, it was somewhat different, and now it's just like, I guess I haven't been to gay clubs like that in a while. but it's just like it's a different vibe. I don't know. I guess since I'm a little bit older, I see things in a different way. I don't know. It just seemed like the scene kind of changed. Just a whole bunch of older people. There was this one too. Yeah. Seems like the scene changed. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm about to get off of here. Finish drinking my 40. But yeah, hopefully everybody have a great weekend. I'll probably be back on soon. I'm kind of craving some chicken wings. Well, chicken wings. I'm probably gonna end up frying some or buying some sometime over the weekend or whatever, since I'm out. But yeah, hopefully everybody have a great weekend. Be safe out there. Excuse me. Have a great weekend.